Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our journey. We have already started our journey of tenses, and today we are going to talk about the past continuous. Past continuous. Okay. Last time we have already discussed about the simple past and what are the uses of simple past. What are the time-made verbials of simple past? So similarly, today we are going to talk about the past continuous tense. So let's begin from the past continuous tense. And one more important thing is here to understand the difference between simple past and past continuous tenses. So let's see here. Let's see the board. Here simple past, which we have already discussed here, it is also called past simple. Similarly, past continuous, or even you can say past progressive. Past progressive. Okay. So when you are talking about simple past, I'm just reminding you, simple past. The simple past talks about what kind of actions happened at a specific time in past. The action which happened at the specific time in past, for such an action, simple past tense is used. No, similar like he went 2 hours ago, or you can say he was born. He was born in 1980. 1980. So the action which happened at the specific time in past, that is about the simple past. Whereas past continuous tense, which is today's topic, past continuous tense. Like see the examples. I was bathing. No, he was playing all day. They were sleeping. So past continuous tense is used for such an action which was in a continuous form during the period in past. It also talks about the past time. But what kind of action? The action which was in a continuous form for some time during a past. So for such type of action, past continuous tense is used. So even you can see this diagram. This is now 8 a.m. and here's some when the action was continued from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. It was in a continuous form in a past. That's why you can remember like this. Okay. Similarly, if you talk about the past continuous tense, what are the structures of past continuous tense? Very simple. Here is the subject, here is AV, and this is V4. Here is also subject, here is AV and V4. So you can form the structures from those examples. Subject plus was, where plus V4 plus subject. It is the affirmative one. Okay. Similarly, in negative, subject plus was, where plus not plus V4 plus object. It is the negative one. And the last one is interrogative, and we already know that AV is written at the first, was, where plus subject plus V4 plus object. It is the interrogative structure. And one more thing is here, where to use, you can write in a note where to use the was and where to use the where. So we already know that was is a singular verb and it is the plural verb. So was is used with singular subject was, and with plural subject where is used. So it's we are talking about the past continuous tense. Okay, so now let's see the uses of past continuous tense. Where to use the past continuous tense. Okay, so past continuous tense is generally used for an action which was in a continuous form for some period in past. Okay, like Sarah was studying all day. He was playing this time yesterday. Okay, so similarly you can say like that, my father was working all day. I mean to say here, it is used for an action which was in a continuous form for some period in the past. यस्तो कामको लागि जुन काम भूत समयमा भूत समयमा जारी थियो केही समयसम्मको लागि for such an action. Okay, so this is the first use. Second is what event is used for an action which was in a continuous form during a momental, not only period, during a moment, like at 10 p.m. I was sleeping. Now sometimes some questions comes like that. What were you doing? I called you last night. So you can give the answer like this: at 10 p.m. I was sleeping, at 11 p.m. I was bathing. So for a particular time, for a particular moment, even for the past, in the past, even past continuous tense is used. Like at 10 p.m. I was sleeping. Similarly, what is the other use? Continuing when interrupted. So this is the more important. See here, they were having dinner when we arrived. Actually, here are two actions. And what are the actions? The one action is they were having dinner. Okay. Similarly, other one is what? We arrived. We arrived. And both are joined with when. When conjunction is used here. So they were having dinner when we arrived. So they were having dinner was an action which was in a continuous form, and in that, during that action, in the middle of that action, if another action occurred, it is written in simple past. Okay, and the action which was in a continuous form, it is written in a past continuous tense. जो पहले देखी जा रही थी इसलिए हामी past continuous tense में लेख्ने त्यो बीच जारी भएको बीचमा यदि if another action come or if another action interrupted in during that action in the past, it is written in simple past. Okay, you can take another example also, like I was bathing. I was bathing when the bell rang. When the bell rang. So here also you can say I was bathing was a continuous action, and when the bell rang interrupted this action which was in the continuous form. So these are the uses of what? Past continuous tense. And one more thing is here, you must remember the time-made verbials. What are the time-made verbials in the past continuous tense? So generally time-made verbials are like this. Time-made verbials like yesterday, all the day, yesterday, okay, yesterday, all the day, even all day. This time yesterday. So generally all the day, or yesterday all the time, this time yesterday were generally used in a past continuous tense. Okay. Welcome to past perfect tense. Okay. So we are going to talk about today's past perfect tense. See the forms of past perfect. The forms of past will be had plus past participle. Past participle means B3. We already know about the forms of verbs, that is B1, B2, B3. This is B1 is called present form of the verb. This is called past form of the verb, and this is the past participle form of the verb. Okay, past participle. And B4 is called present participle of the form. Present participle form of the verb. And here we are talking about the forms of past perfect. So had plus past participle. See the examples I have written. It hadn't rained for 2 weeks. Similarly, where had she been? He has gone from Janakpur before 2 years. Here this is the subject, had according to structure, and rained is what? Past participle form of the verb. Similarly, here also this is the WH question. And here also subject and had is and V3 is. So you can form the structures very easily. Subject plus had plus B3 plus object. It is the affirmative one. Similarly, negative, subject plus had plus not plus B3 plus object. It is the negative one. and interrogative had plus subject plus V3 plus object. It is the interrogative structure. So, okay, let's see the uses of past perfect tense. Okay, so sometimes we are very much confused between past, simple past, and past perfect tense. So, this video will clarify the difference between simple past and past perfect tense. Okay, so let's see here. Simple past is, see this figure. What I have written now. Suppose this is now, and this is the past time, and here is earlier past. So actually earlier past means what? Go back to the moment of past which we are already talking about. So actually there are two terms here. The two terms is what? One is past, that is the past action which talks about the specific time in past, simple past. Other is what? Past perfect. We are talking about past perfect. So the past term is called what? Earlier past. It is earlier past. Past भन्दा पनि पछाडी जब हामी लाग्छौं नि, go back to the past, that is past perfect. That is past perfect. Examples will clear you. Let's see the examples. When I reached the station, the train had already gone. So what I have written, there are two statements, and the two statements are joined with when. I reached the station is one. Another is what? The train had already gone. So this is the another action. I reached the station. Subject plus B2 is here. And here the train had already gone. Subject plus had plus past participle. I mean B3 is here. And both are joined with when. So I reached the station is simple past. And this is the train had already gone is earlier past. अब यस्तो दुईटा काम जो पास्ट मै भएको छ, तर हामीले त्यहाँ विचार गर्नुपर्ने के हुन्छ? We must think that which action occurred at first. I mean past को पनि past. र जब के भन्छ, जब म स्टेशन पुगे, the train had already gone. कुन काम पहिला भएको होला? Simply you can think the train had already, train पहिला गइसकेको होला, हैन? ट्रेन पहिला गयो तब म स्टेशन पुगे. So when two actions occurred in past time, the action which happened earlier, such action is written in past perfect tense. The action which occurred after that is written in simple past tense. So you can take another example of also, like see the another example, when he reached the class, the teacher had already started the lesson. The teacher had already started the lesson. So here also you can see he reached the class and the teacher had already started the lesson. So this is the earlier past. That's why it is there in past perfect. Teacher पढ़ाई start गरिसक्नु भएको थियो. So that's why it is in past perfect. And when he reached this class, it is subject plus B2. So that's why the simple past and past perfect is different thing. The simple past talks about the past action of a specific time, and past perfect means earlier past. So that is the difference between simple past and past perfect tense. So now let's see the time clauses of past perfect. What are the time clauses? As soon as, before, after, when, by the time. Generally we use when, but don't be confused. When is only used as the time clause of past perfect. As soon as is also used, before is also used to join the two sentences. Even after is by the time is too. See the examples like when the doctor came, the patients had died. So here also it is cleared. Two things are clear. One thing is I want to show you the time clause is when. Other is this is the subject and V2. This is the subject and had plus past participle. So the patient had died means it is the earlier past and this is the simple past. Similarly, the other example is by the time we reached home, it had been dark. So it had been dark becomes earlier past. It is been in past perfect tense. Similarly, the another and here you can by the time clause is used here. In the next example, he met me after his father had gone. So after is used here as a time clause in the past perfect tense, and this is the simple past. We already know, and the father had gone. Subject plus had plus V3. So this is all about the past perfect continuous tense. Thank you very much.